Real pictures of historical people in Ertugrul Ghazi and Osman Ghazi, including their graves. Number 1. Ertugrul Ghazi. Real picture of Ertugrul Ghazi. Tomb of Ertugrul Ghazi. Grave of Ertugrul Ghazi in Soot. Number 2. Suleiman Shah. Real versus fake. Tomb of Suleiman Shah. Number 3. Haimana. Statue with infant Osman. Tomb of Haimana. Grave of Haimana. Number 4. Osman Ghazi. Fake versus real picture. Tomb of Osman Ghazi in Soot. Grave of Osman Ghazi. Number 5. Halima Hatun. Real pictures versus fake. Grave of Halima Hatun in Soot. Number 6. Bala Hatun. Bala Hatun real picture versus fake. Real grave of Bala Hatun. Number 7. Sheikh Adab Ali. Real picture of Sheikh Adab Ali versus fake picture. Tomb of Sheikh Adab Ali. Grave of Sheikh Adab Ali. Number 8. Turgut Grave of Turgut. Number 9. Bamsi Barrack Bey. Real picture of Bamsi Barrack. Bamsi Barrack Bey grave in village of Ernali. Number 10. Saljan Hatun. Real picture and fake. Grave of Saljan Hatun. Number 11. Malhun Hatun. Grave of Malhun Hatun. Number 12. Osman Ghazi. Fake versus real picture. A grave of Osman Ghazi. Number 13. Alauddin Bey. Fake picture versus real picture. Grave of Alauddin. Number 14. Duan El. Grave of Duan El. Number 15. Gunduz Bey. Grave of Gunduz Bey. Number 16. Konur El. Grave of Konur El. Number 17. Atuk Bey. Real picture versus fake. grave of Ertugrul Bey. Number 18, Savcı Bey, grave of Savcı Bey in South. Number 19, Osman Ghazi, real picture of Osman Ghazi versus fake. Osman Ghazi grave in South. Number 20, Dundar Bey, real picture of Dundar Bey versus fake. Grave of Dundar Bey. Number 21, Ibn Arabi, real picture of Ibn Arabi versus fake. Grave of Ibn Arabi. Number 22, Nikola, real picture of Nikola and fake picture. Tomb of Nikola. Number 23, Vachunoyan, real picture of Vachunoyan versus fake picture. Number 24, Saduddin Kopak, real picture of Saduddin Kopak versus fake. Grave of Saduddin Kopak. Number 25, Sultan Alauddin Kekawar, Alauddin Mosque in Konya. Number 26, Yatuddin Kekasrif II. Number 27, Burkihan. Number 28, Konur El. Number 29, Utaihan. Thanks for watching.